it so that you can actually see what the hell I'm doing. Electrical connector back here, which you have to take off. Get this thing on tight, man. It's hard to see, I know. There it is. Alright, I got it. You can take this stupid cover off the thing. Be careful not to break anything. I don't know if you can see that, but it flips up like that. This whole thing is just in this plastic. Well, that was easy. Using my phone as a mirror. Okay, so unclip. This is gonna be a pain in the butt. To unclip this, it clips in like that. You should clip it in its end when you reassemble. But in order to unclip it, under here with your forefinger and push this little thing under there. And you're gonna use your phone as a mirror or put a mirror under there or something. I don't know. But it'll come out. You gotta feel for it, and then press it up. It pops right out. So you gotta reach underneath, I guess with your left finger or whatever, and unclip the bottom, this part right here, and it pops out. There's a little button under here you gotta press, and then it releases it from the harness there. I just gotta move this intake hose out of the way. Make sure nothing goes flying into the engine because it's kind of windy out here today. I don't want any problems. There's the bolt. It's right down there. Right in here. Hard to see. But it's right in there. It's a 14 millimeter. You'll see it. It's right on the side of the transmission. Alright. You have to trust me. I don't know if the camera's showing it, but yeah, it's down there. There's a nut that's sticking out down there somewhere, and that's the one I'm loosening. It's on the other side. Should be right behind this, right on the other side of this transmission mount. It's got a couple washers. And I'm feeling you don't lose those washers. They're there for a reason. Right there's the bottom bolt right there. It's got a couple washers on the bottom. Don't lose them. Okay, take this out by hand now. And hold the starter so it doesn't fall out of the car and damage the radiator shroud or the hoses or that AC compressor down there. Just take your time. Here it comes. Alright, here it is. Oh God. Wiggling this thing out of here. Fun. There it is. Top first. This is the way I did it. I don't know, your mileage may vary, but this is the way I did it. So when I'm putting it back in, I go like that. Okay? Flip it around so that the connection part is sticking up. And then wiggle it out. Don't damage anything. Carefully, and then it comes out. There it is. Original starter, 90,000 miles. Compare the old with the new. This is in some cheap, Chinese crap off Amazon. This is the original equipment one. Got it from a dealership in Rhode Island. Turned the right way. The OEM part. Again, looks good. Looks the same. Here looks good. Part number is 28100-0T340. Installation is the reverse of removal. Wiggle it back in, won't damage anything. Okay, why isn't it moving? Oh, transmission mount. Alright. Flip it back around. Hard to show this part, but, you know. Alright, good, just my luck. As soon as I turn the camera off, I get the top bolt in. Just gotta do it finger tight. Yeah, it's difficult because there's no room to work. You gotta feel. Bottom one with 2 washers. Bottom. Yeah, you gotta feel. That just goes right in because the top one's already lined up. Yeah, it's in. Whew. Okay. 14mm. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult getting it back in. It was for me, but that back on there. Alright, so when I filmed this yesterday, I didn't realize the view was blocked by a little piece of tape or whatever was hanging off that part of the car. I apologize for that. And make sure the battery is disconnected. Make sure the battery is disconnected. There's going to be a little plastic part here that covers this, and there's going to be a 12mm nut that comes off this part. Unscrew that with a 12mm socket or whatever, and then you have to go in here and stick your finger behind here, your forefinger, and press this. There's going to be a connector behind here that goes in here, and you got to press this up like that, the same way I'm pressing with my finger right now. Press this up like that, press it towards you, I guess, and then release, and it's going to pop right out. So that's how you do it. And then the installation is the reverse of removal. Yeah, this is the old one. Plastic cover, pop this off, 12mm nut, and then back here is your release tab. You gotta get your finger underneath here and press this like up towards you, pull out, and it's gonna release. Back to the video. Sorry, my hand's blocking, but it's the best I can do. There goes nothing. Ha! Does that if you disconnect the battery? Sometimes it'll do that. It'll just kind of conk out. Which is fine. $12mm behind there. Connector. Release tab is behind there.